Hello everyone, welcome back to another PHP tutorial. So in this tutorial I will show you some work of session or how you can use session for some purposes. So if you give some information in the register form, so ideally it should be stored in database, right? So as I have not used any database so far, so now what I will show you how you can use session to show your given inputs to other pages. So now if you give some information here, it will take you to another and submit, it will take you to another page, and the value will be shown here. So for that, what I need to do, first I need to create another file where the value will be shown. So let me go to the code first. So this is the register page, right? So in register page, what I need to do, as all of you know that I have changed all the extension to be PHP. So for that I need to use little change in the code. So let me make it PHP so that it can. Now everything is fine, I think. So first, what I need to do, I need to show on the. I need to go to the form. First, let me do one thing. Show you something. So first, let me create a file name detail.php. Okay, detail.php, and what I can do, I can copy all of the code from about and take it to detail.php. It's little similar, that's the reason actually. So here I don't need this. Okay, let me be there. I will change this portion. It's not biodata. Register. So this is the register page. So here you can see, if you see it clearly, there should be a form. So it is the form, right? This is the form where the user will keep input. So for that form, let me give action. The action will be taken in, let's say, post register.php. The page is not created still, but the file is not created, but I will create it within minutes. And the method will be post. The method will be post, and the action will be taken in post register.php. So let me create a file name post register.php. So post register.php. So this is the, and that is the file where the action will be taken. So let me take a PHP block first. PHP. So if I want to show you something, let's say, let me echo something. Echo hello. So let's say hello. Sorry, not given. Okay. For if as I will write every code in a PHP, so I need no need to enclose the PHP block for that. Now if I show you something, okay, now if I give some information here, wait. You can see now it has taken me to the uh, to post register.php file. So this is where I will write my code. So here, first thing what I can do, I can take if condition. If is set, let's say post, sorry, post, okay, let's say register. Let's register. If it's a register, then it will go to this block, and me go back to the code. So for that I need to do something. So here you can see name. So for name is name, for name username it is username. Okay, for contact, so I have to take name for every field. Name, let's say contact, and again let's say I have to take a name for this. Name equals to this email, right? So email, sorry, email, and here for this I need to take name here. Name, let's say CU college, and name is gender is taken. Check post name Android Java Ruby. Oh no, no, name should be skill. SKI skill. Everyone name is skill name is skill. Okay, skill maybe Java or something, this value. And password, name is password. Okay, now let's take repassword. Now here I have to give name as well. Name equals register. So this name actually what I used so far already. So this is register. So then I will take a variable for each of them. So here first what I can do, I can take the name. So name will be taken from post, and sorry, it is name. Then okay, let me copy it. Okay, name, then all if you can see after, sorry, if I go fast, then username, right? So then username. So let me paste here username, then contact. Now what I will do, now I will use sessions. For that for use session I have to use start session first. So session SESS session start. So session is started. So now I will give value to the session. So for that first let me give the name is name. So for name, what will be the value? This name for name. So let me copy it like before, paste it. Okay, now after name there is, you can see username. So let me give it username, also username, and then contact. And another thing is I wrote a password. Okay, now what is I am saving all the variables. Let me copy, saving, let me session. Okay, now I'm saving all of them, and finally what I will do, I will redirect it to location. Let's say detail.php. Okay, now if I save it and go back here, go to the register page, and if I let me refresh it. If I give some name like Nero, sorry, Nero BT contact 01 something, Nero BT @gmail.com. Colors, let's say Tongi colors. Let's say milestone colors. Gender male, skilled, none of them. So let's say Java. password 1234. Type 1234. So now it is taking me to the registered database which I made earlier. So if I go to the registered detail, so here you can see register database. So I actually don't need this table. I don't need this table, and this actually I don't need anything. Okay, now I will give it for here. Here I block. Let's say PHP make edit. So for everyone, using if condition is not like, so I can use it. I can take another session. Let's say session register, suppose it's equals to true. Okay, so register equal to 2. So I will use this for, so let me go to the, so if session register, so it is true. If it is true, then what it will do, let me copy everything, go to the detail page and paste it. So sorry, I don't need to it further. So what I'll do, I will cut it, bring it there. This time I missed call, sorry. So now I am done with the variables. Okay, now if I save it, okay, now if I try to echo something, let's say PHP echo name, sorry, name, and let me finish the blog and go back to my browser. There is, okay, the main problem is I have not started session in this. So I can, what I can do, I can start session here. Session sorry, session start. So let me start session. Let me Western different index register in Antipano. So register is undefined. The size is undefined. So if I go back to okay, let me make some change here. So if it's set, let's say this register setting the values, so I will just enter PHP block and start another PHP block so that I can write HTML code between this block. So here I will use ptag, and let me end the ptag. Between this ptag I will take one PHP block and I will echo We'll echo the name. So let's name, and we'll end up. So what I can write, I can write name here. Sorry, name. I can copy it and paste it again, and after that I can write username. Actually missed some parentheses here. So now if I save it and go back to my browser, okay, if I give some information like name of PDFs, okay, if I type password, so if I go back here, so now you can see name BT Nirav, username BT. That's how session actually store information, and you can store this information and use for various purposes. So thank you for watching this video.